Have you started? Antonia.
You don't start. You never start. You don't start.
That's the watch that thing. I want to give my best shake. So yummy, we bomb on the go viral. Yes, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are hearing they are trying to mobilize against the good son of Edo State to spoil his name, to spoil his good reputation in Edo State. We are saying this, we will not tolerate it. We are saying this, that we will not tolerate it. We are narrating Oshomole, dragging Oshomole to the crisis of Edo State. Dragging Oshomole to the crisis of Edo State. Because Oshomole will remain silent, you drag the today, you people have left APC. Trying to mobilize against. They also, I want to tell you today, Katosa is our father. He has a good name in Edo State. He has helped a lot of Benin women. He has helped a lot of Benin men. Who is that man? He has helped a lot of Benin women. He has helped a lot of Benin youth. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, they are trying to cause problem in Edo State. And I think everybody is following up. They want to mobilize some youth, some thugs, to go and be narrating Katosa for what? Is Katosa aspirant or a candidate of any party? No. We want to use this medium to tell you, you think everybody that is against your attitude, that you will send people to narrating, so that person will be brought down. The way you think you succeeded with the national chairman. We will tell you today, you did not succeed anything with national chairman. Oshomole remained a bulldozer, while Katosa remained the first son of Jesus Christ of Edo State. We want to tell you, the youth that is trying to collect money and mobilize against the good son of Edo State. If you do it, after you do it, you wait for what you did and the video will be there, viral. You cannot deny it. So, Obaseki cannot be narrating everybody, calling people's name because they don't like the way and manner he's operating with the Edo people, the way he's spending our money. Now he wants to mobilize youth against anybody that is against his way, evil way. Me, I'm telling you, the Edo youth, you people should understand. Don't be youth. Because the way they are going now, they are using our youth. They want to crash us. And with the way you are going now, I think we are ready to crash. Because nobody has a monopoly of violence. We'll be hearing a source of information, a source of lies, telling lies, saying a lot of things about me. I remain in my humble house. Because if your conscience is clear, you fear no evil. You people are trying to cause problem. I want to tell you today, APC brought this government on board. But today, before APC brought him on board, after he succeeded, he turned APC member to opposition. Today, he has finally went to opposition party. He's still threatening that with you are not the owner of Edo. You are not the Oba of Benin. You are not the God of the earth. We will not be afraid of you, not to say the truth. You cannot be castigating Edo son, Edo lights that have done well so well, more than you in this state. I will remember vividly when Obamacare first time, when it was set ablaze. I know how much Captain Osa gave market women during the time of Victor Ebonyi as Oredo chairman. Now, market has burned. You want to use it to tag different people. Because you people set fire on that market because of that primary, for that primary not to hold. You wanted to use it to tag somebody. And I want to whosoever that went to Oba market and put fire. Let me tell you, there is ancestors in market. A lot of people do business in market. Both the spirit, both the people that died in other side, they do business in market. If you know what is called market, you cannot do evil. So the evil plan you people have been doing, why now? Rainy season, market is catching fire. Now, why now? You want to narrate the good son of Edo State. Why now you want to be spoiling people's name? The money that you said they once said I should come and spend money. I should come and spend money. How much have you spent now? If you use that money to give that contract to your party faithful, do you think you will have problem today, you the governor? This money that you have spent, that you take from APC to go and spend the PDP, if you use this money to give people contract to renovate schools, to rehabilitate roads, your party faithful, will you have problem today? Penny wise, pound foolish. Nobody can talk. We are in democracy. We have freedom of speech. You cannot kill. If you kill, you will answer. Nobody is above the law. If you do evil, you will face the misery. You youth that is collecting money to be doing nonsense. We play politics here before. You have never get to this extent that you people are doing. After you play reggae, I think somebody will play the blues. We are not afraid of any arrest. If you know you are commit, you will be afraid. If you are not commit, you will not be afraid. So any evil plan that you are planning against the indigenous of Edo, the Edolites, we are waiting. We are waiting. You said they said you should come and share money. How much have you shared now? Who tell you to share money? Which politician will go and be governor, give me money today? Wow. And tomorrow, nobody. This money, if you bring it out for school rehabilitation, if you use it in the industrial park, if you use it on security, everything will be okay. You have been spending a lot of money buying people like you are. We know all your secrets. You cannot intimidate us because you are a governor. You cannot kill us. We will never be afraid of you. And yes, you will do your worst, and God remain the best. I want to tell the Edo people, please, don't be afraid of any threatening. When we were standing together with him, we find it difficult to win election. Now that he's standing alone, so what are you people afraid of? Come next election, Ize-Iyamu is the governor of Edo State. I tell you people, go and play it in NairaBet or Bet Naija. It's a sure banker. We are not afraid of any evil. Anything you want to plan, people you are bringing to Benin, we will tell them, we hold the land. We know all the corners more than them. Let them come. We are waiting for them. Thank you, my dollar. Sorry, I'm being angry because of this my address. It's the way and manner they are being threatening, using a lot of things because they're in power. No, now we can't take that. They've tried a lot of assassins. They've tried a lot of things. They're planning a lot of evil. Now they are not mentioning Kaptiosa. It's no longer Osomole. Anybody that is not your support of your evil is the person is bad. My brother, we should learn. You people that is saying you want to do this and do that, we want to see where your power is now. We want to see if you have two heads. We want to see. We are not afraid of any evil. Anything you like, plan it. We are waiting. God bless you all. Thank you, my dollar. God bless you all.